Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegib.com, link in the description below. Title: Creating Documentation with Sphinx and Hosting on GitHub. Introduction. Documentation is a crucial aspect of software development that helps developers, users, and contributors understand how to use and contribute to a project. Sphinx is a popular documentation tool for Python projects, and GitHub provides a convenient platform for hosting and versioning your documentation. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of creating documentation using Sphinx and hosting it on GitHub. Prerequisites. Step 1. Install Sphinx. First, install Sphinx using pip, the Python package installer. Step 2. Initialize Sphinx in your project. Navigate to your project's root directory in the terminal and run. Follow the prompts to configure Sphinx for your project. You can accept the default settings or customize them based on your preferences. Step 3. Write documentation. Sphinx documentation is written in restructured text, REST. Create or edit your documentation files in the docs directory using a text editor. For example, create a file named index.rst for the main documentation. Here's an example: index.rst. Step 4. Build documentation. In the terminal, navigate to the docs directory and run the following command to build the documentation. This will generate HTML files in the _build/HTML directory. Step 5. Preview documentation. Open the generated HTML files in a web browser to preview your documentation. You can find the main HTML file at _build/HTML/index.html. Step 6. Create a GitHub repository. If you don't already have a GitHub repository for your project, create one.